All right, Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my name is Aditya Bhardwaj, and today I am your interviewer.
Yes,
I
sir.
want to put some questions regarding to your educational lifestyle. Hope you will answer me properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my first question is, tell me about yourself.
My name is Shubham Rana. I am from Himachal Pradesh. My aim in life is to become an engineer because I just love to explore things very well. I understand things very easily, and I am very interested in learning new things.
Okay, Shubham. Very good. My second question is, what is discipline? What
Uh,
about your feedback regarding discipline? What do you think? What is discipline? How I maintain that discipline in my school organization?
Discipline is a major part of the student's life because without discipline, the school cannot function very easily. If we are in discipline, then the students are inspired by us and they learn new things from us. For me, discipline is nothing more than respecting teachers and helping others, respecting others and helping
To
others.
maintain a well behavior in the society is
Yes.
part of a discipline.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my Shubham next question is, why have you chosen this school rather than other in the society?
I have chosen this school because my friends and my seniors and my brothers have inspired me, has advised me to join this school because they have passed out from this school and they have scored very good marks in this school. I just want to know new things in this school, so that's why I joined this school.
Okay. So what type of a things you really want to do in this school?
Things I just want to do in this school, just like playing sports, and we should have competitive tests in our school so that we can improve our skills related to test regarding to after our 12th class. These are the things that I just want in our school.
Okay. So Shubham, my next question is, have you interacted with junior student in the school?
Yes, sir. I have interacted with junior students of my school, junior students in our school, and I respect all of them because if we talk with them, they teaches us every time a new thing, and we also teach them a new thing. So I can say that I have interacted very well with all the students.
Okay, Shubham, I am really convincing to your answer. And my next question
Yes.
is, how was your experience in the school?
My experience was definitely very good in this school because in the beginning when I joined this school, I thought that this school is very well, but after some time I realized that there are many things that we can do in this school, and our school supports us in many ways. So my experience is definitely very good.
Okay, so how to visualize your own school in the society?
I just
How you think that thing is a lack, that thing is a lack of facilities in involving. So how to perform well in your own way?
I just
How to nourish the things in your own way?
the things that I just want to nourish in our school is that every student should participate in the activities, and we should talk about each other in with each other.
Fluently, please speaking fluently.
We should talk with each other about related ideas so that we can understand each other very well, and we can easily learn many things.
Okay, Shubham, it's your answer is
Yes, sir.
really worth it, and I am also convincing to your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my next question is, tell me about your weaknesses and strengths.
One of my strengths is that I understand things very easily, and if I want to learn something, that I learn very easily. But the thing that's one of my weaknesses is that I was unable to manage time related to my studies and my games. That's
Okay, so you facing the trouble in timetable issues.
yes, sir. Facing troubles regarding to my own personal things.
Okay, personal things.
Yes, sir.
So how have you any idea? Have you any skill? Have you any vision how to manage that timetable?
Yes, sir, I was working on it, and I have an idea. If I after school time when I reach home, I studied for half an hour, and then I will work. I will go to sports, and after some time I came home and play. I will study for 3 hours. Then I will take a nap, and then I will started studying. Then in this way,
Ready to perform.
Yes,
Ready
sir.
to preparing to another ones.
yes, sir.
Okay. So, Shubham, my next question is,
Yes.
what is your favorite subject and why you like them?
So my favorites, there are many subjects, but I just love maths because in the maths we learn different things, and math teaches us a way how to find solutions of different problems in our life, just like differentiation. And differentiation we break things, and just like we have to do with our timetable, we should break games period in another half, and we should break study time in another half, so that we can easily organize ourselves. And also integration, it teaches us how to combine things. So I just want to say that in a school life we should combine the time equally, so that we can get successful in life and we should get better results.
Okay, so in the end, that's why your favorite subject is math.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my next question is, what are your expectations from our school?
I don't have many expectations from my school. The one of my expectation is that I just want a power nap after a lunch break, because a power nap boosts our concentration and focus related to studies. And the other thing I want is that we should given tests related to competitive exams, so that we can explore ourselves. That's are my major expectation related to our school.
Okay, Shubham, I assure to you the part 1 is a complete, that is the round 1 of your interview, and
Yes,
I
sir.
would like to put some questions regarding the round 2 questions. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
my first question is, how do you become so confident in the life?
In beginning, I was very nervous in talking with each other. I have lack of communication skills, but I understand that my teachers supports me, and they taught me if I want to communicate with others, I have to increase my confidence. So I worked hard on myself, and I interact with my friends and juniors and seniors, and thus I get confidence in my life.
Okay, sounds good. My next question is, what are your main interests outside of education?
Just like I
Have
say.
you participated in any sports activities? Have you participated in any group discussions in previous days of school?
Yes. Just like I say, I just love to explore things in my life, just like related to space and technology. And I also love to play sports like Kho-Kho, badminton and cricket. I have played Kho-Kho for our school, and we came runner-up in the final round of the Kho-Kho tournament.
Okay.
Yes.
What can you bring to the school, Shubham?
The only thing I can do
What,
for my
what kind of a things you really think this is a good for our school organizations? What kind of a your vision? What kind of your recognition skills? I think that things are really good for our school. So have you any opinion for that?
Yes, sir. The main opinion from my point of view towards my school is that we should remove the ratification method of studying. We should be given MCQ tests just like competitive exams, so that we can study between the books, and we can understand things very easily.
Okay, so school organization should organize the aptitude competitions,
Yes, sir.
MCQ, multiple choice questions, type tests that
Yes, sir.
makes your memory more sharper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my next question is, what about the necessary things, Shubham, of student life regarding their discipline?
The necessary things are just like every student must obey the rules and regulations of the school. If we don't follow the discipline, then the school will be unable to function, because in the discipline, if we are in discipline, then we understand things very easily, and we become a role model, and I can say that we inspire others by our looks and personality. That's why I want that every student should be in discipline.
Okay, so in the end, you want to be a student in discipline with well behavior.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my last question is, but not the least, Shubham, what about your personal opinions for our school faculty members? Have you any idea regarding that?
My personal opinion is that our teachers work very hard for us, but due to our lack of focus and concentration, we don't understand things very easily, and also we were fear of asking them questions. This creates a doubt in our mind, and we go to academies and tuitions to learn things. But if we ask the doubts in the class, then there will be an easy way to understand things, and thus we can understand things very easily.
Okay, so Shubham, you already taught us the professional bonding with your faculty member.
Yes, sir.
Give us more examples regarding your bonding between faculty members in your personal opinion.
My personal bonding is with our physics sir, Pankaj sir. They teaches us in a very different manner. They taught us if we study between the books and in other way, then you will be able to crack the competitive exams. But if you study only the question answers or important topics, then you will be a failure in life. You will not understand many things. This is my bonding with my physics sir. And also I can give one example of my maths sir, who taught us in many different ways. They teaches us different method of solving questions, and I started working on it, and I understand many things. That's after that after that maths become my favorite subject.
Okay, so in the end, you want to say the overall bonding with faculty is
sir.
very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shubham, I assure to you, your interview is over. You can go your class and
Yes, sir.
tell the audience thank you, good luck, and
Thank you,
bye-bye.
audience. And I would say, if you work hard and and ask doubts to your teachers, then you will be able to get
They
successful
will
in
definitely
life.
help you, and you will always successful in life.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Trust your teachers and work hard. Good luck, everyone.